In Louisville, Mayor Craig Greenberg says our first responders have been extending aid to our neighbors down south in Bullitt County specifically. LMPD sent dive and rescue crews down over the weekend, and LMDC also took in inmates from Bullitt given they had to evacuate. Mayor Greenberg said they should be returning to their local jail over the next 24 hours. He also had a warning to those of you getting creative in the floodwaters.
Yesterday, I was down observing some of the flooding and saw some kayakers. Please don't kayak. I know this is, or go out in the water other ways. I know this is an interesting, extreme, historic event. But by doing things like that, you run the risk of getting stuck, which means our first responders will need to come rescue you, and you're putting our first responders at risk in addition to yourself.
7 flood walls are now up around Louisville. MSD said it added 2 more flood walls at 8th and 11th Streets yesterday afternoon. All 16 MSD flood pumping stations are also activated. However, MSD notes this flooding event is a top 10 event for Louisville, and there is only so much it can do with the amount of water we're seeing and the age of the city's pumps, some 70 years old.